Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm gonna get right to it. I got a beard wash to talk about, so just keep watching. Hey, what's going on, guys? First things first, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do videos on beard stuff, hair stuff, and shave stuff. If you like how that sounds, hit that subscribe button and you will know when that happens. So, first things first, guys, I am doing a review on the Mountaineer brand Citrus and Spice Beard Wash. And they were so kind to send me an 8-ounce bottle. This is freaking huge. Most of the stuff I get is like a 4-ounce bottle. This came in an 8-ounce. This is going to last me for quite some time. It is a blue plastic bottle. And what I really like about this company, and I've done other videos, you can get some of those videos here, I'll put a link in here. What I like about this company, they're so focused on 100% natural. I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredients to you now, and you'll see what I'm talking about. In this particular blend, they have coconut oil, they have olive oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, guar gum, aloe, vegetable glycerin, rosemary, shea butter, citric acid, particularly from orange and grapefruit, and then they have clove. I mean, guys, I know what all that is. That's what I like about it. I know exactly what those ingredients are. And we'll get into the rest of the packaging here. Just comes with a twist-off cap, and it has a resistor. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And I'll tell you, the bottle is flexible enough. I'm not going to squeeze it. I'm going to get it all over the place. And yeah, I know it's a beard wash, but it's not a bathroom wash. So we're just going to, like I said, it is flexible enough to use. Now I'm going to get into the product itself. So we squeeze it out here. What I really like about this, it has the consistency of like a liquid hand soap. And I like the thicker feel of beard washes because it really gives me a good sense of control when I'm lathering and when I'm getting into my beard, and particularly this stuff, it just lathers really well. And I'm going to show you here. I got to wet my beard. Got my beard wet. Yeah, and I'm going to put just a little bit more in. Don't need much more. Okay, again, a lot like liquid hand soap. Really good stuff. So let me get it going in my hands here. Look at that. We got a lather going already. And again, look at that. Gets right in the beard. Really nice. Look at that. I got me a lather cam. Check that out. Look at that. That is good lather. Yeah, I might look good with some gray in the beard. Huh. Alright. So, got a good lather going there. Alright. It moves right into the beard. I really like it. So, the way this smells, it has a very nice, that grapefruit and orange really give it a very nice citrus. Like it gives that citrus a really good presence in this scent, and then that clove brings a nice herbal earthiness to it. I love it. It just has a very it's a natural, clean kind of scent. Really enjoy this one. I kind of associate these. Oh, turn the water on. I really associate these with these kind of scents with fall and autumn. I'm from the Midwest, and these are real common aromas for me to experience during the fall. But again, very clean scent, very clean feeling when you use this stuff. So let me get this stuff rinsed out. And I gotta say, I am like so proud of myself because I didn't burn myself this time. Yeah, it goes into the beard real easy and it rinses out real easy. Really enjoy this product, guys. Really cool thing with this product is not only can you get it online, they also make a ton of different hygiene products. They make baby products. They have some shave products, which I would love to get a chance to try. And they also have, obviously, beard products. And I was introduced to this company through beard products. I have liked everything I've gotten to see from them. And I just love their approach to things with the all natural. Very nice stuff. I do recommend this, guys. Get it. It is a great beard wash to start with because it does feel a lot like a shampoo for your beard, just with how thick it is. Really easy to use. Price point is very reasonable. Check them out. Alright, if you got any questions or comments for me, leave them down below. And I hope you have a great week. Take care.